Good morning, children. In this lesson, we shall learn about political parties. Political parties are the backbone of democracy. Political parties are the voluntary associations of individuals with broad ideological identity who agree on some policies, formulation and agenda and program for the society. Political parties seek to implement their policies by winning people's support through election. Parties vary in size and in the ways they organize themselves as well as in their policies. Political parties are not a part of formal arrangement of a government, but they are essential elements to form the government. They formulate public opinion. They serve as intermediaries between the citizen and the policy makers. In earlier times, India was ruled by different emperors and kings. They followed different types of ruling system such as aristocracy, timocracy, oligarchy, democracy, and tyranny. First, we'll see about aristocracy. Aristocracy, the government by a relatively small privileged class or by a minority consisting of those presumed to be best qualified to rule one particular place or a country. That is known as aristocracy. Next, we'll see about oligarchy. Oligarchy, government by the few, especially despite power exercised by a small and privileged group for corrupt or selfish purposes. Monarchy, an individual ruler who functions as the head of state and who achieves his or her position through heredity is known as monarchical form of government. Next, we will see about democracy. In 1950, India became a democratic country. Democracy is derived from the Greek word demos or people is defined basically as government in which the supreme powers vested in the people. In some forms, democracy can be exercised directly by the people in large societies. It is by the people through their elected agents. A vibrant democracy needs a strong political party system. Party system is a modern phenomenon. In a democracy, people are able to voice their opinions on any subject. Next, we will see about political parties, functions, and role. Candidates are put forward by parties to contest in elections. Parties put forward different policies and programs, and the voters choose from them. Parties play an important role in making laws for any country. Parties form and run governments. In India's political parties are divided into two, such as national parties and regional parties. What are national parties? Parties that secure at least 6% of the valid votes in Lok Sabha election or assembly elections in four states. They must win four seats in Lok Sabha from any state. They have to win 2% of seats in Lok Sabha from at least three different states in the latest general election. These are all the qualification which are all the parties have. That parties are known as national parties. Next, we will see about regional parties. These regional parties are otherwise known as state parties. Parties that secure at least 6% of the valid votes in the state legislative assembly election. They must win one Lok Sabha seat for every 25 seats. They need to win a minimum of 3% of the total number of seats in legislative assembly. These are all the qualifications we need for one regional or state politics. All over the world, we are following different types of party system. The party system are divided into three, such as single party system, bi-party system, and multi-party system. First, we'll see about single party system. A system in which a single political party has the right to form the government. No opposition party are there in that particular country or state is known as single party system. For example, China, North Korea, and Korea. Bi-party system. Bi-party system, the power is usually shared between two parties. One becomes the ruling party and the other becomes opposition party. The two party ruling in one country or state, that is known as bi-party system. For example, UK and USA. UK, there are two parties, Labour Party and Conservative Party. USA, the Republican Party and the Democratic Party. Multi-party system. Three or more parties are there in that particular place or state or country is known as multi-party system. This type of party system is in existence in India, France, Sweden and Norway. Thank you, children.